Biden's dangerous agenda is killing jobs, emptying our wallets, and crushing our economy. The radical leftist agenda is to increase gas prices, to force us to get rid of our gas-powered vehicles and buy electric. I'm Brandon Williams, conservative Republican for Congress, and I will fight to lower our gas prices, keep our cars, trucks, and boats, and instead get rid of the radical leftist swamp in Washington that's destroying our country and hurting American workers.